Hi, on my workbench today, a Gastronorm container holder from Royal Catering. A very simple but also very useful tool in any kitchen. Especially useful in places that serve burgers or serve salads or anything. So that would actually be used to organize your workflow a little bit better. So you put it in front of yourself on your section and you just fill those containers with whatever you need most. So this particular model comes with 4 Gastronorm containers, and the frame accepts any 1/6 Gastronorm containers with a depth up to 10 centimeters. So these fill in perfectly. Of course, the 4 containers come in a set with a respective lid for it, but you can, of course, use any Gastronorm containers that you have lying around in the kitchen. If you're looking for a Gastronorm container holder just like this one, have a look at the website because there's a variety of these on offer with different configurations, different setups, so you definitely find the one that you need for your venue. Each and every one comes with a 3-year warranty, which is great even though there's not much that can break, but 3 years, that's pretty cool feature, isn't it? If you happen to order one of these, they will come in a really sturdy cardboard box just like this one, with some packaging material in it. As I said, there's not much that can break, so they will be pretty safe in one of these, no matter what happens on its journey. So, if you found this informative, just leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know what other equipment I can show you, and I will. I thank you guys very much for watching, and I see you next time.